The point of this video is to demonstrate how much faster the speed of sound is than the speed of our crossbows. The crossbow used in this demonstration, I've never shot it through a chronograph, but I would suspect it shoots in the 320 foot per second range with a 450 grain arrow, that's arrow, nock, and field point included. And the interesting thing you see is on the super slow-mo that you hear the sound not only of the crossbow discharging, but actually of the arrow impact before you even see the arrow in flight. Okay, so here we are at the Mimo Arbalist indoor basement 17-yard range. And this is what I use as a practice target just to get me in the mode of actually shooting at deer. So if we take into account the speed of sound, now granted, the video was captured on a camera right at the point of the shot being taken, but you hear the sound of the crossbow discharge before you see the arrow in flight because sound is just that much faster. So as you can imagine, a deer, say 20 yards downrange, they're going to hear that noise of the crossbow discharge before the arrow gets there. And how much before, and how much time does that give them to react? And these deer with lightning fast reflexes, that's how you get string ducking.